if you ever want to make your gas tank or any part of the motorcycle that is painted brand new and fresh, grab yourself one of these car polishes like the Griot's Perfecting Cream with one of these I think it's called a rotary polish. Just dab a little bit here, clean the surface with some water, make sure there's no dust or grime, and then just go over it with the lightest cream. You don't really need something bigger unless you have like some deep scratches or something. And it's gonna make it nice and polished, smooth. It's gonna look like brand new. You just dab some here. Dab it over the area that you want to polish, and then just get at it. Yeah, you just have to make sure you don't put too much. Otherwise, it will start just going everywhere on the bike. Yeah, so preferably a clean microfiber cloth for this part. Oh, yeah, look at that shine. You also don't want to do it in sunlight because it's gonna evaporate. Yeah, look at that shine. Drag it out of the light now. Yeah, look at that. Brand new. I had some stickers here that I wanted to remove. Yep, that's it.